Citing and referencing a video or a YouTube video can be very challenging. In this video, I'll be showing you a free tool that you can use to cite and reference your videos. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Basic 2 Tech for students, teachers, and math education. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can cite and reference a video. So the first thing you do is to type in mybib.com/tools/apa-citation-generator. You enter. The next thing you do is to ensure that you are on APA styles because we have different formats. So you have to choose the formats according to your school. What I use is APA 7. So ensure that the size is on APA 7. If you're using Chicago, just click on it. If you're using Harvard, click on Harvard. So for this video, I'll be using APA 7. Next step is to click on the video tab. Right here, you type in the video title, or you paste the web address. So I will go on YouTube. Now, I want to use this video in my paper, so I will copy the URL of this video, go back to my free tool, paste this video in this search bar, and click on search. So you will see a list of different options. So you have to identify the video that you are referencing and citing. So here's my video. So click on it, and right here is your citation and your reference. So you can copy this and use as your reference in your paper, and when you are citing the video in your paper or your research, you can just use this format for your in-text citation. So here is how you can cite and reference any video for your paper, in this case APA 7. So thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.